So today we will be cleaning my keyboard because I should have done it a long time ago, but I'm turning it into content. Yes. It's actually very funny too because all of a sudden my enter key is like sticky. Like I have to use 2 fingers to push down the enter button so that I can like do whatever, right? But as of recently, all of a sudden my keys, you can still tell they're a little like sticky, but not as much. And I'm like, that's a little suspicious. Why are y'all not so sticky all of a sudden? It's very strange. But hey, hopefully that means that some of the mess is gone so that when we clean it, it won't be as bad. She is drunk or horny. I am neither. I can't drink yet legally, and I'm not horny. I already dealt with that a few hours ago. Anyway, let's get the hand cam on. I actually have a tutorial video and I have all the supplies that the tutorial video had. I did have an air compressor. I ordered it off of Amazon, but Amazon has just been having a lot more delays than usual. It was expected to come yesterday. It didn't come yesterday. It was expected to come today. It's 9 p.m. today. So I just canceled it. I'm just gonna get my money back. I don't even need it anyway. Air compressor would make things faster, but it's not the end of the world. There we go. Hello. 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 I have my gloves as usual because that's my thing now. So here's my keyboard. This is what it is. I love it. I don't find myself using a number pad that often. This one doesn't have it. It's super pretty. I can change like if I just want one color, if I want the whole rainbow. A lot of times I have it on yellow because that's my brand. But some of the time I have it like rainbow because who doesn't like the rainbow, you know? But yeah, okay, now that's turned off. So this is what it looks like, right? At first it looks very pretty, right? But as I bring it to the camera, oh god. So yes, that has to be my hair. Honestly, I do kind of blame myself. Like one day I just looked at it and I'm like, let me look closely at my keyboard. It looks so bad. Like that looks awful. And the thing is, the hair is probably mine because I'm the only one that uses my keyboard. But I will say it was because I didn't have a bonnet. The bonnet that I had was really dirty and I need to get rid of it. I have a new one now. I have it on. I actually have it on right now. So hair shouldn't be everywhere as often, but yeah, this needs deeply cleaned because it looks god-awful. The first thing that the tutorial said was the fact that, hey, take a picture of your keyboard before you like do anything else, just so that you don't like forget where all the keys are. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna do first. I can't remember what stream it was, but I had like orange soda in my mini fridge, right? I was pouring it in a cup, but I accidentally spilled the orange soda and a lot of it got into like on my keyboard and it seeped between the cracks. I sat there just in complete despair because I didn't have all the tools that I have right now. I didn't have all of this at the time. And so I was like, you know what? It's probably fine, right? Clearly not, but that's the goal. We gotta bring it back to life. I'm taking a picture right now. I'm gonna take a second one, right? I'm gonna look at the pictures, make sure I can tell which keycaps are which. Yes, I can. What I also love about this is the gradient. It goes from like a light gray to a dark gray, which I really like. The letters were on the side and not on the top. I honestly thought it would kind of fuck with me because I'm like, oh, I won't be able to see it properly because it's on the side. But it turns out to not be as big of a problem as I thought it was. But yeah, now that I took a picture, I have to now remove all of these keycaps and put them over here. Oh my god, I'm so anxious. But I have this. I have the keycap remover. I don't know how I'm gonna do like the space bar and the shift bar. Well, this can bend. It'll be fine. I have the tutorial right here. If I break something, I'm gonna be upset. Don't eat popcorn. This is stressful. This shit is stressful. Okay, I did it. I did it. That's the first one. That's the first one. I did it. Oh my god. Ooh. You see that? Ooh, that's rough. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so sticky. It's so sticky. Just do it! Okay. Okay, I'm getting the hang of it. I'm not stressing out as much. Oh my god, the tool that I'm using is genuinely getting sticky. That's how bad this is. Why are my fingers sticky?
What did she say?
Guys, look. But you can see like the hair. Oh my god. Like, I know I shed hair a lot, but god damn. Like, you would have thought that an animal would have been, like a cat, would have been on my keyboard with how much hair there is. Holy moly. Oh god. It's fine. You can put these back in. I just didn't mean to do that. Okay, it's fine. We're good. All right, we got the last one. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. So I just kind of hold on, tutorial video. Okay, he skipped over that part, I guess. Fuck me. Okay. Oh. All right. Oh, whoops. Oh god. All right, there we go. Here's the taken apart keyboard. Now that everything has been taken off, you can kind of see. Oh my god. Okay, so in the tutorial video, it said that once you have all the keycaps off, you actually want to put them in water full of like dish soap and detergent. You also don't want the water to be too hot because these are made of plastic, so you don't want it to warp. So that's actually what I'm gonna do right now. I'm not gonna bring the bowl to the camera because I do not want to bring a bowl of like dish soap and water and then spill it all over my PC and then cry. So let me do that really quick. All right, I'm back. I came in with some extra stuff. So because I spilled orange juice, which is like a literal liquid, I have like a cleaner, I have some paper towels, and I have some Q-tips. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna brush off the general like hair and dust off of it, and then I'm gonna go in with the Q-tips and I'm gonna like clean up all like the soda and stuff, and then go back with the brush again. I should probably like do this off to the side so that I get all like the general like dust off of it. This is a makeup brush, but I one time ordered like a huge set of makeup brushes that had like 20 of them in there, and I don't really put on makeup much anyway, so I don't really care using this one to clean my keyboard. Guys, whatever you do, if you make a mess all over your keyboard, please just clean it. Don't be like me. Just because it's ugly. Wait, just because it's ugly on the inside doesn't mean it can't be nice on the outside. Wait, I don't think that's how that goes. Anyway. Oh, GTA 6 is delayed again. I give up. Are you really surprised though? Honestly, I can kind of understand it because it's like, this is supposed to be like one of the biggest, if not the biggest game of all games. They need to make sure that when they release the game, nothing goes wrong. No bugs, no glitches. GTA 6 has to be a perfect game launch. It has to be perfect. Because if it's any less than perfect, you're gonna get absolutely bashed. If they release a game, GTA 6, that's $100 and there are like any bug, bro, imagine I'm like mid-20s when they come out with the game. A lot of times if you hype up your product but you take too long to release it, the hype will eventually go down. If they fuck it up, it's gonna be absurd. You're gonna have every single commentary channel be like, this is how GTA 6 was the downfall of Rockstar Games. Like, that's exactly how they're gonna title it. Okay, hold on. I need to pull my keyboard aside again. Oh my god, why are there like toenails? Why are there toenails in my keyboard. I have some tweezers. I have a thick set of tweezers, and I got a tiny set of tweezers. So now with any like hairs that are like in very hard spots, I'm just gonna be picking at them. I think that's more than good enough. I keep seeing hairs, but I think it's more than good enough. I can't get every single one. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's what it looks like so far. Now what I'm gonna do, let me spray my towel. Spray my towel and just go like clean everything all around. I also need to give it like a tap as well. So if there are any like leftover, this is probably what I should have done first, but I'm gonna do it right now. I just sprayed it. Guys, I sprayed it all over my desk. What do I do? Wait, someone don't clip that. Do it again! Marcus. I didn't expect it to be that tight, you know? If I could get dicked down by a mechanical keyboard, I would. Huh? Anyway, I'll be back. Okay, there we go. Those are all the pieces. They have officially been wiped, but we're just gonna have to let them dry. So we're just gonna kind of sit here until they do. We're gonna play some Risk. We're gonna play like 2 rounds, and then they should be dry by then. Everything is dry now. So now all we gotta do is put all the pieces together. All right, here we go. I just gotta put everything in place like a jigsaw. And there we go! Let's go! Here we go, guys. Here's the final keyboard. Look how clean that is, right? You don't see like the hair in between. Look at that. Clean, brand new. Finally, we're gonna test it. I'm gonna put it on Bluetooth and we're gonna see how it goes. Ah! I did it! Oh my god, it's on Bluetooth mode. Look at that. Wait, let me type something in chat. Custom? No, I bought it off of Amazon. Woo! Look at that! Oh my god, I actually thought I was gonna fuck it up. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But I learned a lot. Now, like, because again, the way I cleaned it wasn't the most efficient way. But now I know how to be more efficient. And again, I need to learn this so that when I finally get into my mechanical keyboard addiction, I'll know how to clean my keyboard. But there we go. There we go. Oh, wait. Let me do some keyboard ASMR. Look at this. You guys can hear that? You guys can hear that? Do you want me to do a keyboard ASMR at one point? Let's see. Oh my god, this feels so good. I genuinely feel very proud of myself because I really thought I was gonna fuck it up. But now, if anyone needs their keyboards clean, I got you. I'm still gonna buy that air pressure. Everything is done now. The keyboard is now fixed and everything is how it's supposed to be. Thank you guys so much for coming to stream today. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of worried that this idea was gonna be out there, but you guys seem to like it a lot. So thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And thank you guys so much for continuing to support me and all of that. Wait, when do I need to go to work? Please don't be at like 10 a.m. Fuck! It's exactly at 10 a.m. Fuck! Okay, it's fine. Bye-bye. Have a good morning, evening, afternoon, and night, and I'll see you guys next time.